Good morning, first graders. Today is Tuesday, and we're going to get started with our next math lesson. Alrighty, first graders, let's start our Tuesday with our morning check-in. You have the choice of a high five, fist bump, hug, handshake, or just to say hello. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think about what you want. When you're ready, you'll do it through your computer. Go. Good morning, first graders. All right, let's talk about how we're feeling today. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think about how you're feeling. When I say go, you're going to point to where you are on the mood meter. Go. Miss Winkler is happy and she's really excited to teach you all time today. All right, first graders, remember for online learning, we do it right or very good. Let's finish this week strong. Let's read our morning message. Repeat after me. Good morning, friends. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. Today is National Limerick Day. Limericks are a type of poem. Let's read a limerick. Repeat after me. There once was a snowman named Scott. He didn't do well when hot. He was having some fun when out came the sun. And now our friend Scott is not. Awesome job, first graders. Let's have a great day. Love, Miss Winkler. All right, friends, let's talk about our schedule for today. You've already eaten breakfast and went on Canvas to see what you're supposed to do. If you're in Team 1, you've met with me. Now you're watching a math video. You're going to take a break for lunch and specials. And then if you're in Teams 2, 3, or 4, you're going to meet with me this afternoon. The last thing I need you to do is some PathBlazer. Capiche? All right, friends. Now let's talk about what we're doing today. Since it's a math lesson, we're going to warm up our brains with the counting robot and some flash numbers. Then we're going to learn how to tell time and practice with our clocks. Let's go ahead and start with the counting robot. Counting robot. I'm a counting robot. Counting robot. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. Counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. Now we're counting by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, first graders. All right, now we're going to identify the numbers in a tens frame. You're going to see a tens frame and you're going to try and count how many dots are in the tens frame. 9. Very good. Go. It is 2. Go. It is 8. Very good. Go. 2. Go. 1. Very good, first graders. We're going to stop here with warming up our brains. Now that our brains are warm, let's talk about what we're going to learn today. Repeat after me. I can identify the minute and hour hand. I can tell time to the hour. Very good, first graders. Now, before we get started, I want you to get the clock you made yesterday. Mine looks like this. Go ahead and pause this video if you need some extra time to look for it. All right, now that you have your clock, we're going to review what a clock is. We're going to watch this video to learn what Jack Hartman tells us.
Tick-tock, let's learn about the clock. Tick-tock, the analog clock. You see them on the wall in your classroom or the home. A lot of people wear them on their wrist. It's the analog clock. Now sing after me and let's learn about the analog clock. Analog clock can be the shape of a circle. Analog clock can be the shape of a circle. The numbers on the clock go from 1 to 12. The numbers on the clock go from 1 to 12. A short hand and long hand go round and round. A short hand and long hand go round and round. Both hands go round all day and night. Both hands go round all day and night. And we always say, oh clock, on the hour. A short hand tells the hours on the clock. A short hand tells the hours on the clock. A short hand moves one number each hour. A short hand moves one number each hour. A long hand tells the minutes on the clock. A long hand tells the minutes on the clock. A long hand goes all around each hour. A long hand goes all around each hour. And we always say, oh clock, on the hour. Whoa, tick tock, let's learn about the clock. Tick tock, the analog clock. Tick tock, let's learn about the clock. Tick tock, the analog clock. Let's be friends.
All right, first graders. So we made analog clocks. Everyone say analog clocks. Very good. Now, if you don't have a clock, you're just going to do the best to follow along. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to take our clocks and we're going to practice telling time for them. Now, I told you to glue your hands to the bottom of your paper so you didn't lose them. When I say go, you're going to gently pull them off so you can use them. And if you have tape, you're going to go get tape. So step 1, pull off your hands. Step 2, go get tape. Pause this if you need more time. Go. All right, now that your hands are off, let's talk about the 2 hands we made. Give Miss Winkler 1 sec to get hers together. All right, we have a short hand and we have a long hand. Now on a clock, they're going to be much, much bigger. But remember, Miss Winkler said we're making our own and they don't have to be perfect. Okay, there's a short hand. Short hand means hour. So everyone say short, hour. The way Miss Winkler remembers this is there's 2 words. There's the short for hour and the long for minute. And the words are different lengths. So let me show you. All right, this is the hour hand. The hour hand is short, just like the hand. This is the word minute for minute hand. The minute word is longer, just like the hand. So I think short for hour, long for minute. The word is longer. So I'm going to hold up the hand and you're going to tell me whether it's the hour or the minute. Hour, very good. Minute, very good. Minute. Hour. Minute. Hour. Hour. Minute, very good. So this is the hour, this is the minute. When we tell time, they work together. Okay? So now that we know they work together, I'm going to set mine on my clock. All right, when it's the start of a new hour, the minute hand is on the 12 and the hour hand goes to the hour. So it is a new hour, which means we're looking at the hour hand and going to the number. That's going to tell us what time it is. It is 3 o'clock. Everyone say 3 o'clock. Very good. Now, the minute hand's going to move and the hour hand's going to move as the hour goes by. Let's see if we can tell the time again. Okay. Now, my minute hand's on the 12, which means it's the start of a new hour. My hour hand is on the 5. So now my time is 5 o'clock. Everyone say 5 o'clock. Very good. When I say go, I want you to make 5 o'clock on your clock. Go. Pause this if you need more time to make it. All right, yours should look exactly like mine. The minute hand is on the 12 and the hour hand is on the 5. When I say go, you're going to make 7 o'clock. Remember, the minute hand starts on the 12. The hour hand's got to go to the hour. Go. When I say go, hold up your clock so I can see it. Go. Good job, friends. It should just look just like this. The minute hand's on the 12, the hour hand's on the 7 for 7 o'clock. Everyone say 7 o'clock. Very good. Now I want you to move your hands to make 10 o'clock. Remember, keep the minute hand on the 12. The hour hand goes where the 10 should be. 10 o'clock. When I say go, hold up your clock. Go. Awesome job, friends. It is 10 o'clock. All right, let's do one more. I want you to make 12 o'clock. Good. The minute hand went on the 12. The hour hand also has to go on the 12 for 12 o'clock. All right, friends. Now that you know how to move the hands to tell time, we've got to practice writing sometimes. So, when you write, there are 2 places. There's a place for the hour and a place for the minutes. Now, because we're starting on a new hour today, our minutes are going to stay at 0. And we're just going to change the number that goes for the hour. Now, to figure out the time, I look here. This is the hour hand, and it's at the 12. Since it's 12 o'clock, I'm going to write a 12 right here. This also says 12 o'clock. Everyone say 12 o'clock. Very good. Let's make a new time with mine. You don't need to do it on yours, just follow me. Friends, what time is this? It is 3 o'clock. I don't need to change my minutes because it's just a new hour, but I do need to change the number for the hour. So I write a 3 for 3 o'clock. Everyone say 3 o'clock. Very good. Let's do one more. Look, now the hour hand is on 6. So what time is it? It is 6 o'clock. Very good. All right. Now that we know how to take time from a clock and write it, you're going to tell me when it's written what time it is. So I'm going to hold a time up and you're going to yell out the time. It is 4 o'clock. Very good, friends. Very good. It is 7 o'clock. You all are getting so good at this. Very good. It is 10 o'clock. Let's do one more. Awesome job, friends. It is 1 o'clock. All right. Now that we've practiced telling time, writing time, and saying the time, we're ready for some practice problems. Okay, so on here, we have our practice problems. We've got to match the times down here to the times up there. So what we're going to do, since we can't draw on our piece of paper, is we're going to look at the clock, and then you're going to think about what time it is. And then Miss Winkler will draw a line with her mouse. So look at clock A. The minute hand is on the 12. Where is the hour hand? What number? Go. 5 o'clock. Very good. So I would draw a line from right here to right here because this clock says 5 o'clock and this clock says 5 o'clock. Let's go to the next one. The minute hand is on the 12 and the hour hand is on the 12. So what time is it? Go. It is 12 o'clock. Very good. So I'm going to draw a line from here to here. All right, let's look at this next clock. The minute hand's on the 12, which means it's a new hour. The hour hand is on the 8. So what time is it? Think about it. Go. It is 8 o'clock. Very good. So I would draw a line from here to here. Last time, my minute hand is on the 12. My hour hand is on the 1. So what time is it? Go. 1 o'clock. Very good. So I would take my finger and I would draw a line. Awesome job, friends. Kiss your brains. All right. Now we have to write the times. When I say go, you need to get out a piece of paper. Go. Now that you have a piece of paper, and you should have your pencil with you, we're going to practice writing the times. So Miss Winkler has her whiteboard, and she's going to do her best to make sure you can see it. We're going to go through each one. Okay, so I'm going to write the letter A, and then I'm going to leave my space, just like this. Okay, we know it's a new hour. We know it's a new hour because the minute hand is on the 12. We have to look at what the hour is on. The hour hand's on the 12. Very good. So I know my hour is 12, and because it's a new hour, the minutes are at 0. Make your time look like mine. All right, first graders, let's move on to letter B. Same thing, I'm going to write the letter B so I know what problem I'm on. And then I'm going to write o'clock because o'clock is the same as before. Make your paper look like mine. Now let's figure out the time. Okay, we have the minute hand on the 12, meaning it's a new hour. So look at what the 12 or what that hour hand is on. Where is the hour hand on? Good. So it's 1 o'clock. And because you have the words o'clock, you don't need to put the zeros for a new hour. All right, now let's go to letter C. Same thing, you're gonna set up your paper. Make sure your paper looks like mine. All right, we're gonna look at this type of clock. Look at the clock. What time is it? What is the hour hand? What does the hour say? It does say 3 o'clock. Very good. All right, when I say go, you're gonna do problems D, E, and F on your own. Go. Alrighty, friends, when you finish problems D, E, and F, you're going to send me a picture of your paper so I can see what times you got. Great job today. I know time is really tricky, but you all worked really hard to listen. I will see you this afternoon for more small groups. Bye, friends.